In this video, I'm going to go over one of our most popular rental items, uplighting. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to set these up with confidence. To set these up, simply open the feet and place down. You want to have it about a foot to a foot and a half away from the wall, where it hits the wall at about a foot, foot and a half up, and washes all the way up the wall. When it's in position, tighten your set screws to keep it into place. When positioning the light, it's important not to point it too low and so you just get a spot, but angle it up until you get the wash all the way at the wall and you can slightly see the light on the ceiling. The Chauvet SlimPAR64 is our choice of uplighting. It's a pretty straightforward light. Simply plug one end into the wall and it comes on. If we hit the menu button until we see C for color, it will cycle through 7 different colors, being a combination of red, green, and blue LEDs, and then several combinations to come up with popular colors. Once you have the color that you want, simply hit enter to select it. Now you can unplug it, get to your vent space, and plug it in, and it remembers where you set it last. Because these fixtures are LED, they take very little power, and you can hook up to 20 units together. They do power linking. We have our power in, and each one has a power outlet on the back. Connect them end to end to end, daisy chaining them up to 20. One more useful feature on this light is the ability to come up with custom colors. Here, we've hit the menu button to get to U for user. We can choose between red. It goes from 0 to 255. We have green and blue. You can adjust red, green, and blue to make almost any color. When you have it set the way you want, hit enter and it will save it. This light can also be used for stage lighting or just lighting up a stage with color wash. Again, being a red, green, and blue light, it doesn't do a true white, but a mix of red, green, and blue to simulate white. Here you can see it's about 15 feet away from me, just behind the camera, and it gives me about a 5.5, 6 foot circle of light to illuminate your subject. And that covers the basics on how to set up and use the SlimPAR64 as an uplight. If you have any more questions, be sure to give us a call at the Doo Wop Shop for more support. And if you have any other equipment, be sure to check out the how-to videos on those so you can use those as well.